Under the scorching summer sun, the roar of machines and the clash of metal in the NAIPU Slurry pump machining workshop create a passionate production symphony. As you enter, the summer heat hits immediately. Sunlight streams through high windows, blending with the machine heat, making the air almost tangible. Yet, this doesn't disturb the worker's focus. At the lathe, an experienced worker bends slightly, eyes fixed on the rotating workpiece. Sweat trickles down, dampening his blue uniform's collar, but it doesn't affect the precise movement of his control lever. Metal shavings fly from the lathe, sparkling in the light, reflecting decades of dedication to perfection. From rough castings to precise finished products, every step relies on meticulous turning, milling, and the worker's commitment in the summer heat. Looking at the neatly arranged parts, they know the day's hard work was worth it. This summer, the sounds of lathes, machines, workers' footsteps, and clashing metal together create a hymn of dedication, responsibility, and craftsmanship, each note shining with the moving light of NAIPU's team.